Hi, everyone. It is so good to be here. I am dropping this video because I want to get your review or your feedback on whether or not you all would like for me to start, producing videos in my perspective, right? Using my GoPro camera. So this is the first official GoPro video that I am dropping on my page. And just let me know whether or not seeing the skill performed in my perspective is helpful to you all. Okay. So hey, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Kick the like button on this video and all of my other videos. You doing so will actually help my channel to be more recognizable here on YouTube and in Google. And also ring that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. So without further ado, let's watch the My Perspective or GoPro hand hygiene video. All right, so the first thing that you want to do, if you have two handles, to turn on both handles. If you only have one, you want to turn that handle to the center setting. Now what I'm going to do is wet my hands, wrists, and fingers, and I'm just going to gently clap my hands together to remove any excess water. I'm going to get some soap, and when I get the soap, I'm going to get a lot of soap because I do not want that soap to dissipate as I am washing my hands. Now I'm going to lather my hands for at least 20 seconds. To ensure that I get 20 seconds, I'm going to use the storm count, such as 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000, 7 1,000, 8 1,000, 9 1,000, 10 1,000, all the way to 25 1,000. That will just guarantee you about 30 to 45 seconds of lather. And when you lather, you want to make sure that you do produce friction. You maintain your hands below the level of your elbows with fingertips down. Okay. So use the storm count 1 through 25, and that will get you at least 30 to 45 seconds of lathering. And now what I'm doing is I'm cleaning my cuticles and nails, the tops of my fingernails on each individual finger. You can do this by just using a finger of the opposite hand, starting at your cuticles and sweeping upward on each individual nails. Now I'm going to clean the undersides of my nail by rubbing my nails against the opposite palm, and then you want to do likewise for your other hand. Now what I'm going to do is rinse all of the soap off of my hands, wrists, fingers, and lower arms. You want to make sure that you have no soap remaining on any areas of your arm, wrist, hands, and fingers, okay? And the best way to do that, and you'll see here shortly, is just by twisting your wrist from one side to the other, just to check, okay, and look to make sure you have all the soap off. If not, just go ahead and rinse the soap off, right? Okay, and then again, I'm going to gently clap my hands together to remove any excess water. And then I'll reach over. I'm using my elbow. You can't see, but I'm using my elbow to advance the paper towels. And unlike Pearson VUE, with Prometric, you do not have to start drying each individual finger on each hand first. So you can just, get your paper towels and start drying your hands as you would like. But you want to make sure that you dry all areas, okay? So that's including in between your fingers, as I'm doing right now. I'm cleaning, or excuse me, drying in between my fingers. And you want to make sure that as you use paper towels, you throw them away. Now I'm just going to tear off a clean, dry paper towel to turn off both faucets. And then I will say skill complete or done. All right, guys. So tell me how you like this POV, okay? POV, my point of view, filming of the skills, all right? Leave your comments in the comment section below. I love you guys. Y'all are great. I will see you all later. Ciao.